For today's video, we will show you how to transfer money from Venmo to Chime or from Chime to Venmo. So let's begin. Now, if you don't have an account on Venmo and Chime, this is the perfect time to create one. And once you have successfully creating the accounts, log in using your credentials. Now, we start here from Chime. So the first step is you can simply tap pay to anyone, to a friend or family. Just enter their $Chime sign. If they are not a Chime member, just only a Venmo user, okay, that's okay. You can also pay using their email address or the phone number that they have associated with their Venmo account. Okay, and after doing so, after filling out the information, enter the dollar amount right here. And you can also add a quick note or add an emoji or drop a GIF. Well, they claim that it's not just money, it's money from you. After doing so, choose pay right here. It's either you can choose the Chime members dollar Chime sign, or for non-members, you can simply just click pay. And after doing so, hover now to your Venmo account and make sure that you have received the payment or if the transaction was successful. You can always type the Me tab on Venmo, check the balance, and if the transfer was successful, you have 14 days to claim funds by entering a valid debit card. Right? It's that simple. Now, say for example, the transfer was successful from Chime's end, but the amount or the balance is not reflecting to your Venmo account. What I need you to do is go to Chime contact support, all right, and also on Venmo support, and tell them you are having problems transferring money from Venmo to Chime or getting money from Chime to Venmo, and both contact support center will be more than glad to assist you on how to resolve the problems of transferring money from Venmo to Chime or Chime to Venmo. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, guys.